Available now at the Moorhead-Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2012 New Holland BR7090 in very good condition. This round baler produces 5x6 foot round bales in its variable bale chamber and features an extra wide mega tooth pickup with dual gauge wheels and hydraulic lift, along with a hydraulic bale tensioner, bale slicer and bale kicker, and a bale command monitor and auto twine wrap control. If you're interested in this New Holland BR7090 and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you are interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.